Hello family, and welcome back to our wild Ohio.
Have you ever dreamed of walking among the treetops 40 feet above the forest floor? What if I told you there is a magical place where you can float through a canopy of leaves, bounce on a giant skynet, and explore a real-life treehouse? Today, we're leaving the ground behind and taking you to one of Ohio's most incredible hidden gems, the Blacklick Woods Canopy Walk. This isn't just a hike, it's an adventure in the sky, and you're coming with us. Welcome everyone to Blacklick Woods Metro Park, a place that holds a very special secret. Tucked away within these ancient woods is a place where the forest doesn't just surround you, it literally lifts you up. Here, the trees whisper stories from high above, and the air just smells different, cleaner, like pure adventure. We're about to experience a treetop ballet, a perfect blend of nature and imagination. So let's get started. Our journey begins, like all good stories, with a path. But this is no ordinary trail. Instead of winding through the undergrowth, this path rises. You can feel the gentle incline as it slowly, steadily lifts you away from the forest floor and into the canopy. The world transforms around you. The leaves form this incredible living ceiling, and the sunlight filters through the branches like light through stained glass in a cathedral. This boardwalk is a true marvel of engineering, and the best part, it's completely free for everyone to enjoy. It's designed to give you a true bird's eye view of this stunning Ohio beech-maple forest. You start to see the woods from a perspective you've never imagined before. Now, one of the most remarkable and frankly most important things about this canopy walk is who it was built for. It was built for everyone. This isn't some exclusive, hard-to-reach spot. Whether you're feeling energetic and want to climb the 99 steps to the top, or you need a little assistance, there's a fully ADA-compliant elevator ready to glide you right up into the heart of the canopy. This makes it Ohio's very first elevated forest experience designed to be accessible to all. It's a beautiful example of inclusive design, proving that mobility should never be a barrier to wonder and exploration. Just a little pro tip for you, it's always a good idea to check the Metro Park's website before you head out. The elevator sometimes takes a little nap for maintenance, and you'll want to make sure it's running when you visit. But let me tell you, this is so much more than just a walk. This is a legitimate playground in the sky. For those of you with a bit of a daring side, you're going to love this. There are 3 incredible rope bridges that sway gently between the main platforms. They invite you to test your balance, your bravery, and just have a little fun with it. Walking across one of these with the ground far below is such a unique thrill. You feel completely safe, but there's still that little jolt of excitement with every step. It's a fantastic way to engage with the structure and feel like a true adventurer. And then you see it. Sprawled out between the trees is a giant cargo net. It's like a massive hammock made for giants, suspended high in the air. This is the ultimate spot for lounging, for bouncing, for just lying back and watching the clouds drift by through the gaps in the leaves. Kids absolutely lose their minds over this, and let's be honest, so do the adults. It's not every day you get to relax in a net 40 feet up in a forest. It's pure, simple, unadulterated fun. It's one of those things that just makes you smile. As if that wasn't enough, nestled among the branches is something straight out of a childhood dream, a treehouse. This isn't just a small platform. It's a proper structure offering shade, a cool climbing apparatus inside, and the grand finale, a fireman's pole. Kids and the young at heart can spiral back down to the lower level with squeals of pure delight. The whole design is so whimsical, so wild, and wonderfully unexpected. It captures that feeling of backyard adventure and elevates it, literally, into the forest canopy. You can spend so much time just exploring this one section, but maybe you're not here for the thrills. Maybe you're here for the tranquility and the wildlife. If you're a birdwatcher, you've just found your new favorite spot. This elevated perch is a haven for birding. From up here, you're at eye level with the residents of the canopy. You can spot warblers flitting between branches, hear the rhythmic tapping of a woodpecker, and if you're lucky, you might even see a hawk tracing lazy circles in the sky above you. The forest transforms into a concert hall, and every flutter of wings, every bird call, becomes a note in nature's most beautiful symphony. So don't forget to bring your binoculars. The view from up here is unparalleled. So you're probably wondering, where is this magical place and when can I go? It's located at 6711 East Livingston Avenue in Reynoldsburg, Ohio, right inside Blacklick Woods Metro Park. As for the hours, they change with the seasons. From October through March, it's open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. When the days get longer, from April through September, the hours extend from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., which is perfect for a golden hour visit. Also, keep in mind that it has closed until noon on the second and fourth Tuesdays of each month for cleaning and maintenance, so they can keep it safe and beautiful for everyone. This is truly a place you'll want to return to season after season. Imagine seeing this incredible view surrounded by the fiery colors of autumn or dusted with a fresh layer of snow in the winter. Whether you're coming here for some quiet reflection, a day of playful exploration with the family, or just to gain a new perspective on the natural world, the Blacklick Woods Canopy Walk offers something truly special. It's a chance to rise above the ordinary, to disconnect from the hustle and bustle on the ground. It's more than just a walk in the woods. It's a journey upwards. It serves as a beautiful reminder that sometimes the best way to reconnect with the earth is to leave it behind for just a little while and see it from a whole new angle. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible treetop adventure. I hope you're feeling inspired to come and check this place out for yourself. And guess what? The adventure isn't over. Be sure to check out part 2 of our Blacklick Woods series, where we head back down to the ground and explore the amazing Blacklick Woods Nature Center. There's so much more to see. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. We'll see you in the next one.
Well, this brings us to the end of another episode, my friends. It's always a pleasure to share this journey with you, and I truly hope you found some valuable insights along the way. If you'd like to stay connected, I invite you to join our family by signing up for our newsletter at ourwildohio.com, so we can keep you up to date on everything we have planned. Also, it helps support the channel and doesn't cost you anything, but it helps us more than you know. We're also dropping bombs of knowledge over on Instagram, TikTok, and X, so don't miss out on the unique content that you'll only see there. Now get out there and enjoy our wild Ohio, and until we meet again, stay wild, my friends. Thank you for watching Our Wild Ohio. It's support from viewers like you who make it all possible. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Join our family and become a member of Our Wild Ohio by visiting the link in the description below. And until we meet again, stay wild, my friends.